Hi, hello everyone. Welcome back to LNR Easy Spoken English. So today I am going to teach about regular actions and habitual actions. Regular and habitual. So what is regular action? What is habitual action? Regular action is nothing but the actions that we do every day, every time. So in the same way, habitual actions. Habitual actions means actions that we do once in a day, once in a month, once in a week, once in a year, whatever they may be. So they are called habitual actions. Today let us know very clearly about regular actions and habitual actions. Okay? సో మనం ఎక్కువగా ప్రతిరోజు మనం చేసే పనులు కొన్ని ఉంటాయి, కొన్ని యాక్షన్స్ ప్రతిరోజు చేస్తుంటాం మనం. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్, we wake up early in the morning. After that we go to office, we go to school, we eat breakfast, we eat lunch, we eat dinner, and we go to sleep, and we talk to our friends. So all these regular actions now. Okay? And habitual actions. Habitual actions means suppose every Thursday I go to temple, every Sunday I meet my friend. So these are habitual actions, you know already. Okay, but how to talk habitual actions, how to talk, how to use in your daily spoken, and these are very very important, because regularly we speak all these regular or habitual actions. Mostly a number of sentences we use daily. So that let us know very very clearly. So on the board I have written just two examples. With these two examples you can talk more and more. You can understand very easily how to speak regular actions. Okay? So let us see this. See here. In my previous class I explained about persons. I, we, you, they. Okay? So I is the singular, we, you, they. These three are plural. This is singular, first person, and plural. Okay? Next one, he, she, it. These are third person singular. That day in my previous class I told you, I explained very clearly, third person singular is very very important. Because according to the persons, you have to change the verb forms. Okay? According to persons, you have to change helping verbs also sometimes. So that persons also are very very important. And in my next class, I explained about verb forms V1, V2, V3. V1, V2, V3. For every verb, V2, V3 is there. Okay? So you have to learn what is V2, what is V3. Okay? So next, regarding these regular and habitual actions, how to speak, let us know. Very very simple. With these two examples you can understand clearly. So you can speak any kind of sentence, all regular actions, all habitual actions. But you must know verb forms. What is the verb? What is the action word? Okay? So that's important. See once. So mainly after these persons, we have to use only V1. If you take any V1, according to your actions, according to your talks and your situation, you have to use only V1. Suppose I go to temple every day. Everyday action, regular action now. You no need to use every day, but that means every day only, always only. Every day, always, often, whatever. I go to temple, we go to temple, you go to temple, they go to temple. If you say just I go to temple means others can understand that you are going regularly. You are going to temple regularly. You are going to temple always. Like that they can understand. No need to use every day. You can use, no problem. So all regular actions we have to speak like this only. It's very very simple. Only use V1 for all regular actions or habitual actions. Okay, so not only go, if you take any, suppose come, I come to your house, we come to your house, you come to my house, they come to your house, like that, any come, they play, if you take play V1, they play every day, you play, we play, I play. Understood? Very simple now. Only use V1 for regular or habitual actions. Okay, next one, if you take third person singular, that means if you are talking about any other person, any other singular, about your friend, about your mother, about your father, about your brother, about your sister, whosoever. If you talk something, if you tell something about your friend, about your mother, any third person singular, just add yes or es or ies for V1. See, go is there now, V1 only na go. Just here regarding this word, es is added. Okay. So es is added now. So if you talk about any third person singular, just you have to add s or es for any V1. So now he goes to temple, she goes to temple, it goes to temple on Thursdays. So this is habitual action only on Thursday. Habitually we are doing, not regular action. This is regular action, but both are same usage you can use, you can follow. But regarding persons only, the verb V1, the V1 takes yes sometimes, es sometimes, ies sometimes, depending on spelling. It is very clear now. So any kind of regular action you can use like this only. Now let us see. For example, నేను రెగ్యులర్గా ఆడుతున్నాను. ఐ ప్లే ఆఫెన్. మనం రెగ్యులర్గా ఆడుతున్నాం. వీ ప్లే ఆఫెన్. వీ ప్లే ఎవ్రీ డే. ద ఈవినింగ్ టైం, వాట్ ఎవర్. ఎనీ ప్లోరల్ V1 ఓన్లీ. సపోజ్ రోజు నేను మీ ఇంటికి వస్తున్నాను. వీ కమ్. ఐ కమ్ టు యువర్ హౌస్ ఎవ్రీ డే. మేము వస్తున్నాం. వీ కమ్. బట్ అతను మీ ఇంటికి వస్తున్నాడు. హీ కమ్స్. ఎస్ ఈజ్ యాడెడ్ హియర్. హీ కమ్స్ టు యువర్ హౌస్ ఎవ్రీ డే. షీ కమ్స్ టు యువర్ హౌస్ ఎవ్రీ డే. ఇట్ కమ్స్ టు యువర్ హౌస్ ఎవ్రీ డే. ఇట్ ఆల్సో థర్డ్ పర్సన్ సింగులర్ నౌ. హీ కమ్స్, షీ కమ్స్, ఇట్ కమ్స్. These third person singulars, just for V1, S is added. So any kind of regular or habitual actions, just you can speak like this. Very, very simple. Okay? Habitual actions also same only. Suppose ప్రతి సంవత్సరానికి ఒకసారి నేను తిరుపతి వెళ్తున్నాను. Simply I go to Tirupati once in a year. I go to Tirupati once in a year. I go to Shirdi once in 2 years. That is also habitual action. Or once in 10 years, habitual action only. Simple. I go to Shirdi once in 10 years. So this is habitual action. Just use only V1. If the person is changed, he, she, it, then S is added. My friend goes. I go to Tirupati every year now. Once in a year otherwise. My friend goes to Tirupati every year. My mother goes to Shirdi. Okay? Like that, you can speak any kind of regular or habitual actions like this only. I think you understood very well. Okay? So practice, take every verb form, every verb. I wake up, I brush my teeth, I go to my friend's house, I go to temple. She goes to temple, she brushes. Okay, use like that. Take some verb forms, use every day using these persons. Once again, I and any plural, only V1. He, she, it, any third person, any single name also, any single object also, just S is added for V1. Okay? So in next class, let us learn some more things. So until then, bye.